Hi, this is a brief video on how to use the KT Simple demo program. For demonstration, Galaxy Watch 6 model and KDC180 BLE barcode scanner with finger trigger glove will be used. First, from the watch, make sure you check the Bluetooth is on and the location is on. Once you checked, you can start the app, and if the app isn't installed yet, you can download from the Google Store. And if you're running the app at the first time, you will be able to see the pop-up message saying whether you grant the permission to access location of the watch, and make sure you check yes to grant access. Once you done that, you'll be able to see the menus from the watch. The easiest way to pairing the Bluetooth is to use the auto pairing barcode QR code. So once you press auto pairing, you'll be able to see the QR code, and you can read the QR code with a KDC180, and you wait a few seconds, and scanning and pairing message you can see, and it's bonded successfully. Now you can, when you scan the barcode, you'll be able to see the data on the watch on the screen, and also you can press the barcode on the watch. You can scan the barcode. You can also clear the data on the watch. Go back, and you can see there is a configuration menu. If you go in, there is various menus. The KDC information. This is where you can see the model name, serial numbers, and firmware version. And find KDC. If you press, you will be able to hear the beeper of the KDC, so you can find the paired KDC device. And you can also use the lock buttons. Once you press it, the buttons are locked, so you cannot scan the barcode through the scan buttons. And you can unlock it by pressing up and scan button at the same time from the KDC, or you can simply press the unlock buttons on the watch. You can simply remove pairing from pressing the remove pairing from the watch. This is it. Thank you for watching.